Welcome and welcome back to my channel. You've done the right thing by clicking on this video. My name is Tracy and I reveal top beauty secrets that will help solve your beauty needs and boost your self-confidence. And in today's video, I'll be sharing an update on the recent class action lawsuit regarding the Ordinary's AHA BHA peeling solution from the people that have received chemical burns after the use of this product. You'll get to know whether or not the Ordinary peeling solution has been banned. I'm also going to share some lessons to take out, and I'm hopeful that it's going to give you an idea on some of the things that you need to take note of before incorporating a product such as the Ordinary's peeling solution into your skincare. And we're starting now. The Ordinary is a brand from DCM, I hope I got the name correctly, with a specialized team in materials chemistry and biochemistry. The Ordinary has evolved in the collection of treatments offering familiar and effective clinical formulations with integrity until now. Popularly known for one of its viral skincare products, the Ordinary's AHA BHA peeling solution is known as a lifesaver for most people in skincare. Ever since this product went viral, there's been a lot of positive reviews, negative reviews, as well as imitations from some brands. The Ordinary's peeling solution is a chemical exfoliant that combines a high concentration of alpha hydroxy acids at 30%, which are some of the most harshest but yet most effective chemical exfoliants. It's also having a 2% concentration of salicylic acid, also called as beta hydroxy acid. It comes in a 30 ml bottle, costs less than $10. It is water-free, alcohol-free, oil-free, silicone-free, nut-free. It's vegan, it's gluten-free and cruelty-free. However, its pH level ranges from 35 to 37, which is pretty high. When applied topically, you have something like this, with its color similar to us blood red. When it comes to skincare, a 2% beta hydroxy acid or salicylic acid is very common when it comes to acne or pimple treatment. However, the contention about this product is more on its high concentration of alpha hydroxy acid at 30%. This is why some people believe that the Ordinary's peeling solution is too strong for over-the-counter sales and should only be used by professionals rather than encouraging people to use it at home. Online, people are beginning to call out that this product is currently going through a class action lawsuit. A class action lawsuit is a situation where lawyers basically reach out to a group of people or individuals that have experienced a damage or impact by a brand. This will enable them collectively sue the subject in question as a group rather than individuals. The class action lawsuit is suspected to have started with an online legal firm who is believed to have reached out to some persons seeking to know if they have been negatively impacted by the use of the Ordinary's peeling solution, while also suggesting that they join their class action lawsuit. It is believed that many persons responded to this and ultimately led to the class action lawsuit against the Ordinary's peeling solution. On noticing the reactions and reviews on the class action lawsuits against this product, I realized that many persons have gained massive benefits from the use of this product. This leaves me with a question: how come it worked for some people but it never worked for others? Digging deeper, I realized that the launch of the Ordinary's AHA BHA peeling solution clearly states that the product should be used once every week, must be applied on dry skin, and not more than 10 minutes. You're to avoid the areas of the eye, use only on unbroken skin, patch test prior to the use of the product. The product must be discontinued, and your skincare experts should be consulted in case of skin irritation. It is clear that this product is designed for use by professionals or for people who have a lot of experience with chemical exfoliation. The very moment this peeling solution went viral on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other social media platforms, a A lot of consumers and many other skincare addicts wanted to lay their hands on it due to the feedbacks and reviews received from those who have proved that the product worked wonders for their skin. It is believed that some persons went on to use this product without reading the instructions carefully, without consulting their dermatologist to know if the product is safe for their skin type or not, and without knowing the right products to combine when using a skincare product having a high concentration of alpha hydroxy acid at 30%. In some cases, this has led to the misuse of this product, as some would leave the product on their skin for more than the specified time just to gain maximum results, which again is not advisable unless you're a professional or one with a lot of experience when it comes to chemical exfoliants. It is true that the ordinary peeling solution is not available for sale in some countries, like Canada for instance, and this is simply because they have a limit on the percentage of alpha hydroxy acid to be allowed in products, which is why it has never been allowed for sale in such countries. In India and the USA, for instance, the limit on the percentage of alpha hydroxy acid to be used in products is 30%, which is what is contained in the ordinary peeling solution. And so, the ordinary peeling solution is neither banned nor removed from sale in some countries. It simply was never launched there, and that is due to an ongoing cosmetic regulation that is going on in such countries. However, the ordinary is still available for sale in most countries worldwide. There might be a massive protest from those who have benefited positively from the use of the ordinary peeling solution if it ever gets banned. There are things that you should not do over the counter when it comes to skincare. However, there are claims on things like alpha hydroxy acid and salicylic acid that is believed to be safe to do at home. In my opinion, the Ordinary's AHA BHA peeling solution is a great product. However, there are certain things that you need to keep in mind before using a product having high concentration of free acids or any other active ingredients. Professionals use chemical peels when treating a serious underlying skin condition. If you're new to skincare, I would advise that you do a thorough research on the active ingredients contained in the products that you want to use, or visit a dermatologist or a skincare expert or an esthetician to help you with the recommendations that you need based on your skin type. You are not supposed to do a high-strength chemical peel at home unless recommended by your dermatologist, which I doubt they will. When administering a product with active ingredients for the first time, always do a patch test first to be sure it won't irritate your skin. Match your product to your skin type. Listen to your skin and notice how your skin reacts to the product after incorporating them in your skincare. And if your product tingles more than it should, it might be a signal that the product isn't right for your skin type. Don't just follow the trend online. Do your own research, read the instructions and guidelines of the product to be sure you are doing it right. Because if you don't follow the instructions on a product and you sue a company, you have no legal ground to file for damage. More caution should be taken with products having high concentration of active ingredients. Always avoid the areas of the eyes and avoid the sun. Always wear your sunscreen. It is always advisable that you do not step out immediately after applying a product having a high concentration of free acids. If skin irritation occurs with the use of any product, please discontinue the use of that product and visit your dermatologist or skincare expert immediately. When it comes to skincare, always remember that the effectiveness of a product may vary from person to person, so do not expect the exact same results of another person. As a consumer, you really need to know what you're buying, so find the best product for your skin and stick with it. Do you think the current class action lawsuit would affect the availability of the Ordinary's AHA BHA peeling solution in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video if you've gained tons of value from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload a new video. Click to watch my next video.